In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a macro in Zendesk easily and efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a macro that will streamline your workflow and increase your productivity. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to Zendesk, the customer service platform that helps manage customer conversations from multiple channels. Head over to their website and locate the sign in option in the upper right corner of the page. Once you've found it, click on sign in. This will lead you to the login page. Here, enter your email and password for your Zendesk account. If you're using a shared or public computer, ensure the keep me signed in option is unchecked for security reasons. Once your credentials are in, click sign in to gain access to your dashboard. Now that you're logged in and on your main dashboard, locate the View option. Click on it to see a list of current tickets. This is a critical step as you need to select a relevant ticket where you'll apply your macro. Browse through the ticket list and select one that represents a common issue or inquiry your team frequently encounters, as macros are perfect for automating repetitive tasks. Having selected a ticket, you will notice 3 dots in the upper right corner of the ticket window. These are your ticket options. Click on these 3 dots to bring up a drop-down menu where you'll see the option to create as macro. Go ahead and select it. At this point, you'll be prompted to name your macro. Choose a clear and descriptive name that highlights the macro's function, making it intuitive for you and your team members to recognize later on. A good name ensures efficient selection, especially when dealing with multiple macros. Furthermore, you can add a description, which is a helpful feature that allows you to provide additional context about what the macro does. This can be particularly useful for team members who are less familiar with the ticket or issue, ensuring everyone understands the purpose of the macro at a glance. Once you've done all this, review your macro setup to make sure everything is correct. If everything looks good, simply click Create to finalize your macro. It's as simple as that. You've just made a macro in Zendesk which can be applied to relevant tickets to automate responses or processes, saving you significant time and effort. And there you have it. Your newly created macro is now ready to use. By following these steps, you're well on your way to optimizing your Zendesk operations. Don't forget to explore other features in Zendesk for even more efficiency gains. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.